Good afternoon, staff. According to an article from the Government of New South Wales and from the People First Language Pledge by Kathy Snow, around 1 in 5 people have a disability. So today I would like to have a conversation with you about People First language. Let's start by watching these 3 short videos. Okay, as we watch these videos, did you notice that each approached the subject of People First language from a slightly different angle? The McBride video looked at it from the student perspective and called it Student First language. The Cutler video talked about uniqueness and diversity of each person, and the Wyoming Workforce video focused on the language we use when interacting with people who have disabilities. Our focus at Smoky Valley should be on our students' abilities, not their limitations. And we should use language that inspires them and gives them confidence, not language that is offensive or emphasizes their disability or the modifications they require. We need to be cognizant of the impact that our choice of language and attitudes have on all of our students individually and on our school climate as a whole. Every day we need to make sure we are using appropriate descriptors. Each of our students are people first. Accentuate the positives and their abilities and actions. Here are a few examples of People First language. Conditioning yourself to speak this way and setting the example for all of our students will help those students with disabilities feel included and valued. Okay, if you have any questions or would like to speak with me individually, let me know. Otherwise, make it a great day and champion for all students.